What's up, guys? Out and about today on our way down to Oliphant. Gonna pick up a 03 Ultra Classic. Got a big old 124-inch motor in it. We about to beef it up a little more for the customer. Should be pretty badass. But this guy's 03 Ultra here. I'm gonna take this 124-inch motor and put a 6-speed in it. Big old clutch to help hold all that power. Should be pretty fun when she's done. Back from the test ride on this 2003 Ultra Classic. Customer came in a few years ago and we installed this 124-inch S&S crate motor in it for him. Still have the stock tranny and stock clutch in it. We needed a little more gear on it, so we put the Baer 6-speed in and the Baer King Kong clutch, and it really opened this thing up as far as gearing goes. That Baer really brought out the bottom end of this motor and really made this thing rip. Clutch strong as ever now, no slipping at all, and the Rock and Fosgate radio we installed really amped up the tunes a bit too, so you should be pretty happy with it.